Work order management is not easy, and without the right tools in hand, maintenance managers may find themselves wasting a lot of time solving the same problems. So today I'm here to tell you what are the 5 most common mistakes in work order management that might be impacting your results. Not calculating manpower. Perhaps you have a maintenance technician who has a lot of experience, and because of this, all work orders end up with him, while other technicians are left with fewer demands. This situation is horrible for your production efficiency since you are not using all the manpower available. Most likely the more experienced technician piles up tasks and other ones therefore take much longer to reach them. So careful consideration of manpower availability is essential for reducing production costs and optimizing your resources. If you know your team well, their expertise will be clear and you can assign people for the work orders more easily. It will also be very clear which type of specialists you should hire. For example, if you have an employee with so many work orders for lubrication that are always overdue, but he is a mechanical technician, it may indicate that there is a demand to hire a lubrication specialist. Not having your work orders up to date. Sometimes the maintenance team puts off updating work orders to the end of the day or some other time. This impacts important indicators such as availability. That's why you should always keep your work orders updated. Opening different work orders to solve the same problem. This problem happens because of miscommunication, especially when technicians who open the work orders are from different shifts. It impacts inventory, manpower, and the indicators themselves. Not controlling your inventory. This is an expensive mistake because if you don't have full control of your inventory, you may spend unnecessary amounts of money on duplicate orders, or not having the material you need to repair a critical asset that has stopped. That is why you should track all work orders to control what you have in the storeroom and plan the components purchased right away. Not tracking your team's activities. There is no way to have an effective maintenance plan and control, or simply MPC, if the maintenance manager isn't updated on what is being done by the technicians. This affects the maintenance plan since it is necessary to know which work orders are running, delayed, and for what reasons. If you can't see your team's activities, it's not possible to make adjustments to the maintenance plan, such as including a new procedure. Now you know the most common mistakes in work order management, and if you have to deal with these situations in your maintenance routine, there is a simple way to solve these problems. With TracOS, you will be able to have full control of your maintenance team, track work orders, and set up new ones according to the maintenance plan and metrics. Just perfect, right? Schedule a demo and see for yourself. Catch you later.